Welcome to the present trade guide on how to generate a road levels report using civil site design software. Begin in the Road tab and go to the Report section. Then choose the Cross-Section Coordinate Report. Next, select an alignment directly or press Enter to pick from a list that includes all alignments and roads in your drawing. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the road option, but you can also select from cul-de-sacs, curb returns, knuckles, or all of them. Upon selection, you'll need to decide between creating a report for selected sampled sections or for all sampled sections with the option to edit your selection. We will proceed with all sampled sections. In the Settings window, you can customize your report to include X coordinates, Y coordinates, levels, codes, chainage and offset for each cross-section sample. You can select the codes required for setting out. For example, centerline and both edges. With one click, the software compiles this information into a point file format for all roads in your project, ready for saving as needed. To draw roads in a new plan using this file, open a new drawing and select Points from File. After adding the file, choose your insertion point on the plan. By right-clicking a point and selecting Point Group Properties, you can customize the point style and label. In this example, we choose Elevation Only for the label and Basic for the point style, with a size of 2.5 millimeters. Confirm your choices by clicking OK. You will now see the setouts for each point in your drawing, enabling precise and comprehensive road layouts tailored to your project's specifications. Thanks for watching. Visit our site and follow us on social media for tutorials that boost your skills and to stay informed about the latest software. Connect with Present Trade for more.